Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed members of the Philippine Congress, today, I, Janine Andong Baginang, stand before you as a lawmaker entrusted with the responsibility of shaping our society's laws and policies. I came before you to address a topic that goes to the core of our humanity, same-sex marriage. In this speech, I aim not only to persuade my colleagues to accept my argument, but also to foster an appreciation for the strength and value of this debate in relation to our topic, sexual self. The concept of sexual self encompasses our identities, desires, and relationships. It is a deeply personal aspect of our lives, and as lawmakers, we have a duty to ensure that every individual's sexual self is recognized, respected, and protected under the law. When we discuss same-sex marriage, we are fundamentally talking about equality and human rights. It is about extending the same rights and privileges to all individuals regardless of their sexual orientation. Denying same-sex couples to marry is a form of discrimination that undermines the principle of justice, fairness, and freedom which upon our society is built. In recognizing the importance of same-sex marriage, we must also acknowledge the strength of our democracy. Our democratic ideals embrace diversity, inclusivity, and protection of individual liberties. By legalizing same-sex marriage, we reaffirm our commitment to these ideals and demonstrate that our society values love, commitment, and equality for all. It is essential to address some of the concern raised in this debate. Critics argue that same-sex marriage undermines traditional values or threatens the institution of marriage itself. However, history has shown us that love and commitment come in many forms. Allowing same-sex couple to marry does not diminish the sanctity of marriage. Instead, it strengthens it by acknowledging that love transcends gender and sexual orientation. Moreover, legalizing same-sex marriage has tangible benefits for society as a whole. It fosters social cohesion, strengthens family bonds, and provides legal protection for couples and their children. It allows same-sex couples to access the same financial, healthcare, and inheritance rights that heterosexual couples enjoy. When we support same-sex marriage, we promote stable, loving families and contribute to the well-being of our communities. As lawmakers, we are entrusted with the power to shape the future. Our decisions today have a profound impact on the lives of our citizens and the legacy we leave behind. By embracing same-sex marriage, we set a precedent of inclusivity and compassion. We send a powerful message to the world that our nation values the dignity and rights of all its citizens, regardless of their sexual orientation. In conclusion, I implore my esteemed colleagues to recognize the strength and value of the debate on same-sex marriage. Let us uphold the principle of equality, justice, and human rights. Let us ensure that every individual's sexual self is acknowledged and protected. By legalizing same-sex marriage, we take a significant step towards building a society that embraces diversity, fosters equality, and celebrates love in all its forms. Again, this is Janine Andong Baginang. Thank you.